Today we are going to see Ajax using PHP. So we are going to cover some part of Ajax, JavaScript, JSON, and how to put data from Ajax result to HTML. So all these things we are going to see one by one. Now what is Ajax? Ajax is nothing but asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Now if I want, and when I type something over here, let's just clear this and I press F12, so you can see console bar here, and if I type something over here, so without refreshing page this is showing some result like music, download and all. So all these are coming from the Ajax request only. So this kind of functionality we can do by using Ajax, that is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Let's just write a simple HTML code and body, and we will say one input box, type equals to text, and name equals to some number, and then one button, and on value equals to get square. That means to get number of any, to get square of any number which we are going to input in number text box. Now on click of this I would like to call get square function. Now this will automatically consider that you have written a get square function in JavaScript, and on click of this button it will get input, it will get square of that number, and then it should print that message in this div. ID will give this as a result. Okay, now what if I want to use any Ajax or jQuery code in our program? So I'll just need to download a jQuery, like we say W3 schools, and here you can find a jQuery CDN that is from Google. So we can take this a script part, copy this and paste it after a body, and in here I need to write my own script slash JavaScript over here, and I'll say console.log to check whether our JavaScript is running or not. Save this program with the name, let's say ajax.php, and when I see here I refresh and ajax.php is here, so it is showing some proper value over here. I should say a button, and then this get square should be here and slash button. So when I refresh this it is showing get square button, and I need to put some notification over here like place holder and bird. So when I just refresh this, you can see enter number is here, and console.log hello world should come when I press F12 and refresh this. So it is running fine. The JavaScript is running fine. Now what if I want to use a jQuery over here? So I'll just write one function that is on page load, and I write some message console.log hello world from jQuery with the 3 dots, and dollar document is the object which we are going to use to run with jQuery. When it is ready, on page load function should call. So in this way we can check whether our jQuery is working fine or not. If I just refresh this, it is saying hello world from jQuery. So our jQuery is running fine. You can write this similar kind of function over here also, like function without giving a name, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and open and close curly brace. Here you can write your own message console.log and hello world an internal function, and this function if I remove, then also it will run fine. So we'll just keep our function over here, as we need to modify it with this paste, and let's just refresh this, and gets where when I am clicking this, it is running that function. Now if I want to use an Ajax, so I'll write $.Ajax function, and after success data what it should do. Now if I write console.log successfully, and here I need to pass some parameters, Ctrl Z to Z in these curly braces. So let's say URL should be ajax_result.php. The second thing is what method you are going to use here. I'll say post, like we have used in form. And the third one is what data you want over there. It should be in object format. Number, and let's say 2. And after successful run, it should show successfully run Ajax request. And when I save this, let's just try to refresh this. The new page has been loaded. What thing I am missing over here? After success, it is showing a data. Ajax function is running from here to here, and success, yeah, I'll need to just replace this with function, open this, and then data, and this should be close with the parenthesis. Refresh this. Syntax error, missing semicolon, facing curly brace. So let's just put one curly brace over here. It is still showing error. Now this is very annoying part. After success, this is, let's just refresh this one, function body. So after function body I should write a curly brace. When I refresh this, yeah, hello world, I am internal function. This is running fine. And when I click on this button, so on click we are calling this function. It is showing 404 not found. So I need to create this Ajax result file. So I'll just in the XAMPP, in the PHP programs, I'll create one file with the name Ajax result, and instead of txt I should write PHP. Yes, and reload this. Ajax result is here. So when I write some code over here, Ajax result page. So after exiting this, I can check here. Now I click gets where it is run successfully run Ajax request. So I can see the result over here, and this is our program. So it is saying successfully run Ajax request. Now if I want to see the message which is coming from this Ajax result page, I can see over here with the function data, it is coming in the data parameter. And when I click on this, it is showing the first message already, and when I run this, I am from Ajax result page. So it is running from Ajax result page. Just put it over here so that we can access both these files together. Now what if I want to get number square from here? So right now I have put here a 2 value. So after getting this value, echo pre, I don't need to write a pre over here, I'll just write print underscore r and dollar underscore request. Just refresh this. I say 5 and get square. It is showing that 2 number which is coming from here. Now instead of this, I can write simply a dollar, and let's say I should give one ID over here, that is ID equals to number, and here hash and that ID name dot val. So it is going to take value from the text box. Let's say 3, let's say 3 and gets where it is showing 3. Now I can do some operation over here by using this request object, request array, a dollar underscore request of number multiplied by the same, and I can echo this and then exit. So other things I don't want user should see in response. Now here I can find this value in a data variable, and when I say 4 and get where it is showing 16 here. Now I want to put this data in our HTML. So here I have given one div, and after success I can say hash and then that ID dot HTML, and inside the HTML I can say data should go over there. I can write some message also that square of the number would be from this text box and then plus data. Now if I just refresh this, so it is showing me square of, I need to concatenate by using the plus symbol. In JavaScript you need to concatenate two strings by using the plus symbol, like we have dot operator in PHP. When I refresh this, it is running fine, and when I say calculate the square of 8, so get square is square of 8 is 64. I can put a colon over here, so refresh this and let's say find the square of 7. It is saying square of 7 is 49. So that's how you can use Ajax in simple way. You can use other methods of this Ajax also. First one is done, and here also you can write your own function, and let's see when it is going to run in this Ajax process. I am from done function, and then save it, refresh this, let's say calculate square of 4. So first it is run successfully Ajax request 16, successfully run Ajax request 16, and I am from done function, where you can see it is running from done function. The another one is, what if it fails? So fail is also one function you can use in Ajax. So you can say console.log I am from fail function. Whenever it is going to fail, you can print your message over here. So let's just save it, refresh this, and let's say 8 and square. So it is running fine. It's not going to come over here. Now if I just change this name from resume.php, refresh this, let's say calculate square of 2, so it is showing one error 404 not found, and this fail method is running now. So you can put your custom message over here, and you can also put that message in HTML also. Now the fourth one is, let's just undo this. Now the fourth one is dot always function, and here you can write some code like to free the resources or variable values that that whenever you need to run this code anyhow, so you can write that functionality in always function. I am from always function. So let's just save it and run this. 34 8 square, I am from always function. Now let's just try to put some error and save. When I refresh this, and let's calculate of 4. Now here also you can see I am from fail function is running fine, because we have given a wrong file name, and always function is also running over here. Always function will always run whether our Ajax request run successfully or not. So that's how you can use all of these 4 functions of Ajax. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.